I hope your day is as wonderful as my life has been since you came into it. Good morning, my love. It is another day full of new expectations and hopes, but the only thing stable in my life every day is my love for you. I can't wait to kiss and hug you. Good morning, my dear. If you feel the morning breeze around you now, there is love in the air that you and I can both feel simultaneously. Could you wake up and give me a text? Good morning. I tried to think of the sweetest way to wake you up, but all I can think of is you, so I ended up giving you the simplest morning greeting. My heart cold ever now. I love you. You make all of my mornings sunnier than ever. I love you. Have a great day. I am patiently waiting for you to wake up so that I can officially start my day off right. Good morning, my love. Waking up next to you is the best part of my day. See you later, baby. Good morning. I am sending you this message first thing in the morning so that you can think about me all day long. I will do be thinking of you too as you go about your duties this day. Carry with you the undeniable fact that I will forever love and adore you. Hey, sunshine, this incredible morning needs your smile to make it even more beautiful. You have replaced my nightmares with dreams, worries with happiness, and fears with love. Good morning. Since I have spent the night dreaming about you, I want to spend the day cuddling up with you. Good morning. I shall forever thank the Lord for allowing me to experience my life with you. Good morning. Your smile is the only inspiration I need. The voice is the only motivation I need. Your love is the only happiness. Good morning. to the woman who makes me smile and warms my heart every day. I love you more than ever before. Good morning, my guiding star. Without you, I would have been lost in the darkness of the universe. The day I meet you is still fresh in my mind because it changed my life for the better. Before I meet you, I was just floating through life with no real purpose or meaning. But the moment I laid my eyes on you, something awakened inside of me, and I felt like my life had meaning, a reason for being. You gave my life purpose and direction, and for that I will always love you. Are the only woman I have ever truly loved, and I promise you I will be the last. There will never be anyone who will love you as much as I do, or make you feel as special and beautiful as I do. You mean everything to me, and I can't see myself living life without you by my side. I look at you and I do not see someone with flaws or imperfections. I only see the woman I feel in love with. You are beautiful inside and out to me, and I do not care what anyone else says. To me, you can do no wrong. You are perfect to me. I have been trying to find the words for how I feel about you, but I can't seem to do it justice. Every time I think of something, it does not feel like enough. I could say that I love you right now, but I know that tomorrow I will find a deeper and stronger type of love for you. There are no words to describe how much I love you because it's always growing and expanding every day. Every time I look into your eyes, I see a reflection of how you feel for me. I see the happiness and joy you feel when you are with me, and I also see the love you have for me. It's like a mirror into your soul and your heart. I will never get tired of looking into your eyes because they always tell me how much truly feel I could spend a million years trying to come up with words that could even explain how much I love you, but it still would not be enough. You are the love of my life, my entire world, and my whole entire purpose for being. Every time you look at me, I can see past your eyes and deep into your soul. It is in that moment I see how much you truly love me. It is vibrant and full of color. I know if I look hard enough, I will always be able to see the love you have for me glowing inside you like a torch lighting up your entire being.